Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today you will see in this videos modern and stylish haircuts ideas. You will see in this videos 40 plus stylish, unique bob with bangs haircuts ideas in 2023. Lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see stylish short bob haircuts ideas, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle designs. If you want to be updated by the modern beautiful haircuts designs, so viewers, my channel is all about stylish haircuts designs. So viewers, visit my YouTube channel and check the all videos. Check the playlist videos and get amazing ideas of stylish haircuts designs. Front, back and sided pose, modern bob haircuts, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Do you have new ideas of unique haircut designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring modern, beautiful bob haircut designs, pixie bob haircuts ideas, marvelous and stylish, unique, beautiful haircuts ideas, front, back and sided pose bob haircuts designs. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Marvelous and stylish, unique haircuts ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. Watch my full videos and share my videos. Enjoy new attractive haircut designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see stylish, beautiful haircuts ideas. So I will meet you in the next videos.